No, it's not like she's not happy. It was her choice. She chooses him. Being the only daughter of the mafia king, she has seen her husband multiple times in her house. No, she didn't fall for him by the first sight. She never had imagined to fall for a mafia. Yes, he's also a mafia too. Her mother was by her father's enemy. Since then, she hated underworld. But after watching Jungkook, her husband, fall several times, she could not hold her feeling from growing, even though she never confessed this feeling to anyone. Her father gauged it by her curiosity of knowing about Jungkook. His happiness knew no bound when she admitted to him that she loved Jungkook, because he was also planning to give Won's hand to Jungkook. He wanted Jungkook to be the next mafia king. Then it became more easy for him. Won couldn't read his eyes because he had not the gut to look into his eyes. But after reaching his home, his bedroom, she felt restless. He just showed her their room. Yes, they share a room like other couples. But now she feels like there is no relationship between them. Yes, there are reasons for her this thought. He only talked to her at their wedding night. That was also, "Don't be sad. You can meet your dad tomorrow. Now sleep." She just sleep then. He comes home after she sleeps and go back after Won wakes up. And she got to know it from the maths. But today, she wanna face him, talk to him, wanna know if her dad forced him to marry her. She don't know what will she do after knowing the truth, but she can't take his ignorance too. She's dying from inside, thinking the worst. A click sound is heard by her as he opened the door of their shared bedroom. You still haven't slept there? She turns around to face him. She stared at him. Nothing was coming out from her mouth, and finally she could not hold any more. A tear slipped down from her right eye. Jungkook started seeing her tear. He's not that kind of person who can comfort her. What could he do so he stopped crying, stopped hurting? His cold nature was holding him back. He has no control on it. Still, he tried. "Do you still miss your dad? You can go tomorrow." "I feel like I married with your mansion and loneliness. If you don't love me, then why did you marry me? If my dad forced you, you could have told me. I would cancel the marriage. You didn't have to suffer." He was still processing what she just said. He doesn't love her? Huh? He literally fell for her at the first day when he saw her. Only he knows how he was controlling himself, how badly he wanted to be with her. He thought to give proposal to Zephyr when he becomes the Mafia King. One never felt this feeling of being engulfed by the person whom you love the most. 𝗵𝗂𝘵, am I a little boy whom your dad would force to marry you? Who told you this? Even though she was upset, but being in his embrace, she forgot everything. Nobody, and I'm not 𝗵𝗂. You just married me and left alone in this house. Didn't even talk to me properly. You know, I have been trying to talk with you for 3 years, but never had the courage. Why? Why you wanted to talk with me? Cause I love you. She bit her tongue. She already said it, now no turn back. He broke the hug and smashed his lip on her. He never thought she loves him back. She happily kissed him back. Still, she wanted to know if he loves her. What's more, she just added more fuel to his fire. When I can't control anymore, he said, closing his eyes. Then don't control. They both loses themselves. Two lonely souls become one that night. Two untouchable bodies touched each other. They made love, and it was pure just like you and me. Love me too.